And we're back with another scan code video. So recently a boatload of these Dino Escape figures got released down in the States, like the Scorpius Rex and all sorts of other small figures, and the ones that the Stegosaurus and Cretaceous, stuff like that. And nothing much up here, just the mainline figures like the sound figures and the wild packs. So I'll be going over these scan codes just in case you guys don't have them yet. But I'm definitely excited to get my hands on some of the ones that are out now in the US. Hopefully they either come to Toys R Us or EB Games. I've seen a few on EB Games website as pre-order, so hopefully we get the Kenji with Gyrosphere pack. I've also seen the Albertosaurus and the electronic E750 on Toys R Us. So that's going to be sweet whenever those come out. But I'm not too sure if the Pteranodon or Stegosaurus are coming out. I'm pretty sure the Baby Toro electronic is coming to Toys R Us, but I wouldn't be surprised if it didn't, sadly. But yeah, no, I'm gonna say a lot because it's a scan code video. We're just scanning. Also, don't forget to pause it if you're scanning and I'm going too fast. It's a tip I've got to be mindful of to remind everyone in the videos. In the past, people are like, "Oh, you're going too fast," but it's like, pause it, bro. And again, if you if you aren't able to scan these for some reason, like it's just not working out, definitely let me know in the comments, because it's easy for me just to put them in another scan code video. But so far it looks like most of my videos have been good with that. I know the mosasaurus is out. I've seen some shelf photos with the mosa. They've got loads of those down there. But that's old news. It's come out a while ago. I'm trying to think what else is in the States right now, but not here. The Tyrannosaurus and the Ford Explorer and Timmy set is coming up to Toys R Us. But it's going to be pretty pricey. And I think the States, you guys down there have the human 2-packs as well. Those will be cool. I don't know if they're coming out up here. Probably not. Just have to get them on Entertainment Earth or something like that. I can't remember if I've ordered from them before. I think maybe I got the Dennis Nedry Comic-Con exclusive from them, potentially. I don't know. So hopefully I can get the rest. I'm sorry I don't have the rest right now, actually. I'm waiting for my next paycheck to get in, and maybe I can order them or something like that. But yeah, I hope this could help you guys get some of the newer scan codes. I'll probably do a complete Camp Cretaceous scan code lineup soon, because I think I'm complete that line now. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.